Kamusta po mga kabayan? Ito po ang Patrol Abroad. 6 na mga kabataang Pinoy ang nag-volunteer po para lumahok sa isang taunang conference sa Ottawa bilang paghahanda po at maihanda na rin ang mga kabataang Pinoy na maging bagong leader dito po sa Canada. Narito po ang report ni Rowena Papasi.
Ito ang unang taon na magpapadala ng delegasyon ang British Columbia sa Pinoys on Parliament o POP Youth Conference na gaganapin sa Ottawa. Binuo noong 2019, layon ng POP na maisulong ang networking, magkaloob ng mentorship at leadership development sa mga kabataang Pilipino. Ang delegasyon mula sa BC ay pawang mga youth volunteer ng Mabuhay House Society, Alliance Philippines at Pinoy Festival Alliance.
This is the first time that an organization has taken the responsibility of sending an official delegation, and that is Alliance Philippines Filipino Language School. In the past, most of the BC origins delegates to the Pinoys in Parliament are students who are already in Ontario, studying Toronto, York University, Waterloo, ganon. Sa pagkakaalam ko rin, yung mga matagal nang sumasali sa Pinoys in Parliament, nakikita na rin nila na unti-unting nakakapasok sila sa mga programs, for example, yung Masters in Policy, mga ganyan, or Public Policy, and they're also slowly joining different levels of governments.
Binanggit ni Carino na si Carla Atanasio, isang dating leader ng POP, ay kinuha na ni Filipino-Canadian Minister Richie Valdez para maging kanyang West and North Regional and Outreach Advisor. Ayon kay Carino, nang imbitahan siya ng POP na maging facilitator noong 2024, isinama niya ang kanyang mga anak na na-impress naman ng makasalamuha nila ang magagaling na kabataang Pinoy mula sa iba't ibang parte ng Canada. Nagkaroon din sila ng pagkakataong makapag-tour sa Senado sa pamamagitan ng Filipino-Canadian Senator na si Dr. Gigi Osler. Kaya naniniwala si Carino na makakatulong ang POP sa paghuhubog ng mga youth representatives mula sa BC.
We hope that they will be inspired. Yung makita nilang, uy, hindi lang pala kami ang magagaling na leaders dito sa Canada, but there's a whole group of us. And I hope that they will be able to expand their network across Canada. And then when they come back, we're actually planning, they will be organizing a BC Filipino Youth Summit. And we hope to have it either in Vancouver or in Victoria. It will culminate with a tour of the legislature.
Kabilang sa mga napiling BC Youth Delegates sina Ben Lucina, Operations Manager ng Alliance Philippines, Kim Mata Hipol, Community Engagement at Marketing Lead ng Mabuhay House Society, Jonathan Ingale, isang scholar ng BD Luminaries, athlete at youth mentor, Kimberly Lacanaria, founder ng Palarong Pinoy sa Vancouver Schools at isa ring BD Luminary Scholar, Ivan Ruano, co-founder ng Palarong Pinoy at isa ring youth mentor, at Caitlin Carino Pablo, isang civilian instructor sa Department of National Defense.
There has been a work within Mabuhay House and Alliance Philippines to establish a youth council, especially at Mabuhay House, to really engage youth within a conversation within our community, but also at the same time train and mentor these young leaders to become the future leaders of our community in BC or in Vancouver. For us to really deepen that relationship with this youth is something that we want to really nurture.
Ayon naman kay Lucina, ito ang pinakamalaking youth conference na nakatutok lang sa mga Pilipino, kaya umaasa siyang maraming matututuhan dito ang mga kabataan.
It's different workshops about youth leadership. So right now it's important, right? Because unemployment is high for youth. So in that conference, they'll teach you about resume workshops, how to build your skills in presenting. A lot of elders and adults, they tell us youth is the future, right? But how can we lead when we don't have, the skills? So I think it's perfect to get these so-called skills, right?
Sinabi naman nila Canaria na siya ring pinakaunang Benson Flores Awardee ng Pinoy Festival Alliance na ipapasa nila sa mga kabataan sa BC ang mga matututuhan nila sa POP.
We're gonna see how other leaders are like across Canada. Tapos kukunin po namin yung knowledge na yon, pag-iisipan po namin siya kung ano po yung natutunan namin, ano po yung gusto naming matutunan ng iba. Yun po yung gagawin namin into a program or into an event or such. And then maybe we can teach and be the keynote speaker for the kids.
Sa mungkahi ni Hipol, nangangalap sila ngayon ng donasyon mula sa Filipino community para ipantusto sa kanilang gastos sa pagdalo sa POP.
We're hoping to have it as community partnership. So we're inviting everyone to please donate. Mabuhay House and Alliance Philippines is leading the donation and the campaign for us to be sent to Ottawa. But we're definitely asking the community to support us through donations online.
We also want this to be an investment from the Filipino BC community for our future. Ang Alliance Philippines is just, paving the road for this youth to join.
Ang Pinoy Sun Parliament Youth Conference ay gaganapin mula February 20 hanggang 22. Mula sa Burnaby, British Columbia, ako si Rowena Papasin, ang inyong patrol abroad.
Yan ang latest sa Patrol Abroad. Ako po si Henry Omaga Diaz. Hanggang sa muli.